Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Micron stock, and let's do the price action here on this thing. So just like all other semiconductors, Micron is been also going unstoppable. We have a new all-time highs, but also with that, this following day or the last trading day, we had this a red sell-off candle. How shall we prepare ourselves going into this coming week on Micron? So we'll talk about that in this video. But before that, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing, okay? All right, so yes, let's start off with the structure on the daily interval. What are we seeing is from the time we turned this pivot around, as I was saying, that this thing is going to become bullish now. And I said that expect all-time highs, and after that, first we got that, and then we started to form a pivot into the pullbacks, but the structure was still bullish, as I have been saying, and then we have been going level by level up. So still, what are we seeing? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This new area that we are in, the extension has already happened, so take partial profits. Time to take position is over here, and then we have still a good structural support at 134. Now the question is how deep the pullback would come. Now what I always suggest, or as an educational opinion, is trade with the trend, and when the extension has happened and if these are the times to take profit. The next position is to wait for a pullback. Once you start to see a pullback confirmed, you can build your position into that pullback with the stop loss below the break of the structure, so that because you've got to trade with the structure, guys. We are trading a direction here. So yes, this is an extension. So structure is still bullish on Micron as from where we are. As long as we still stay above 134, we'll take a look at if some pullback is looking like it will come or not. But structure is still full on bullish. So let's take a look at on hourly interval. Can we expect a pullback on this thing, or it will just continue higher? So we are on the hourly interval now, and I'm seeing some at the top a sell-off, right? We gapped up and we sold off the gap. Now this is where things do get interesting, because gap ups met with a sold off sell-off shouldn't be taken lightly. So what I'm seeing is that we are below 20 hours moving average, and we are below one of the levels of 141 and 71 cents. If we continue to stay below this, this may continue a little bit much lower, at least to the level of 139 and 69 cents. You can watch this area on intraday. If you start to see these wicks forming down here or some consolidation forming, this could be an area to play intraday long, as long as you see at this level double bottom forming and support forming. But intraday, sure, you can trade long only if this level holds 139 and 72 cents. If it fails to go above 141 and 74 cents and break below 50 hours moving average, then you are seeing this 139 and 66 cents area. But if you don't see any price action support here and we see another flush, then we have a room for more cool off down to the level of 135 area. But then this is where the significant structural support is sitting from the daily interval, marked by a significant level as well, right? So if I take you back to that, back over here, to the daily interval, let's mark this level with a red line, and let's go back to the hourly interval. And here we go. So you get my point, right? That's where our next significant level is, structural support on the daily. So yes, these cool offs may come as if we continue to lose the level of like 139 or so. And then again, if you want to trade intraday short with these levels break, you can trade that as well. But then this would be it. 134 is still a swing structural support, and that's where the next potential area of a pullback can be there for intraday long position. And then from there, as if it continues to still stay high up, then because structure is still bullish, you can carry your partial position. So you have two levels to watch for potential pullbacks, and in the middle, it could be shorted as well. And up here as well, it could be shorted if in case we lose 50 hours moving average. But that first leg would be until only 139 and 66 cents. And if we lose that, then next area of the range down is to 135, and then there's a swing support setting. So these areas, if price action holds here, these are the areas to play the pullbacks continuation to the uptrend, both intraday and swing long. But also if you're looking short is only if these levels break, but only intraday short, not swing short, because structure is still bullish. And that's your Micron. Not complicated, easy peasy. And yeah, things are still bullish on this thing. Well, so guys, if you found this video valuable and helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and actually just before wrapping up, let's actually also take a look at my swing bot on Micron. Net profitable, and on this current running position, we have had 3 partial take profits already, and our open PNL is also running profitable up there. Anyways, there are red trades as well, but as I say, you can always manually take profits as well. And yeah, so you don't have to wait for the like for example, when things are going choppy, you don't have to wait for the full sell signal. You can just take in the peaks or take partial profits or things like that. But again, we are net profitable still on the last 30 trades and not hiding anything. There are red trades as well, but then you can see the max runs, right? That's where I always suggest take manual profits out as well, because you can see the max runs are profitable. So just size out a little bit more if you want to. You can change these settings in the bot actually, that you can adjust how until what position you want to take partial profits. So accordingly, it will also max those outs for you. But anyways, all these can be customized and you can then see how the data looks like. Anyways, still net profitable though. But well, yeah, I'm just repeating myself now. All right, anyways, links are in the description below if you need access to my tools. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and that's all. Again, the guarantee of nothing, just these are educational tools. There are red days as well, red trades as well, as I showed you. These are just for assistance purposes. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you in my next videos, and yeah.